In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Desk. If you're new to this powerful platform or looking to deepen your understanding, you've come to the right place. Zoho Desk is a feature-rich customer service platform that helps businesses manage customer interactions effectively. So let's jump right in and explore how to navigate through its main features. To get started, ensure you're on the main dashboard of Zoho Desk. You'll notice a straightforward interface that organizes all cases, offering a cohesive view of customer support tickets. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing interactions. Now, let's begin by adding a new ticket. Find the Add Ticket button, which allows you to document customer inquiries by creating new tickets. This is integral for maintaining organized communication records. Once you've added a ticket, you'll want to provide comprehensive details. Click Ticket Information to input relevant data about the query at hand. This step is crucial for giving your support team clarity on the nature of the customer's issue. Following this, you'll want to add more nuanced data. Head over to Additional Information where you can add specific details or notes that might aid in resolving the ticket more efficiently. Don't hesitate to note down anything useful here, as more context can significantly enhance the support process. While managing tickets, you may find it useful to attach relevant files or documents. Click on Attachments to include any necessary files that can assist in addressing the customer's needs. This could range from screenshots to documents relevant to the customer's inquiry. Once you have filled in all the necessary details and attached required documents, it's time to submit the ticket. Click on Submit, and the ticket will be entered into the system for resolution. It's time efficient, allowing your team to address the issues promptly. Apart from handling tickets, Zoho Desk also offers a knowledge base feature. Click on the Knowledge Base tab to explore previously documented articles and solutions. This is a repository of pre-existing support solutions that can be incredibly helpful. If you're inclined to contribute to this, click on Articles to browse through and then start writing if you wish to add new content to the knowledge database. During this process, you might want to save your progress. Utilize the Save as Draft feature if you're not ready to publish your article immediately. Once you've polished the content to your satisfaction, hit Publish to make it accessible to others within the organization. To ensure the smooth running of operations, regularly check the Contracts and Customers sections. Here, you can manage customer relationships effectively. Additionally, don't forget to explore the Account section for broader management. Zoho Desk also integrates with social media platforms and allows you to engage with customers through those channels. By clicking on Social, you can see how your team interacts with customers online. Similarly, the Chat feature empowers real-time communication, perfect for addressing immediate concerns. And there we have it. That's a concise walkthrough of how to use Zoho Desk. Through these features, you can streamline your customer service process, making it a seamless and efficient operation. Keep exploring and experimenting with its various tools to get the most out of the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy ticket managing.